So today I want to try to explain to you the concept of equivalent fractions. Why do we say that two fractions are equivalent? Well, first of all, it is fundamental that we understand what the word equivalent means, right? It means of equal value, of the same value. So, for example, I'm sure you heard this from your teacher before. 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4, and 2/4 is equivalent to 4/8, for example, right? Now the question is, why do we say they have the same value if obviously they look different? 2/4 are not the same number as 1/2, right? So I want to try to explain to you why that system works, why two fractions can be called equivalent even when they don't have the same numbers on it. So for the example today, I decided to pretend there's three friends, A, B, C, who run on the Greenway. And I made it up and say that the Greenway is exactly 8 miles long. All right, so each line represents how much each person ran. So friend A up here, he ran 2/4 of the Greenway, right? So I divided his line up here into four sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, with 0 miles here, that's the beginning, and 8 miles here, that's the end. So he ran exactly 2 portions, 2 sections out of 4. So I'm gonna mark 2 sections, 1 and 2, right? That's how much he ran. Now friend B down here, he ran 4/8, right? 4/8. So he ran 4 sections out of 8. Now, not out of 4, but out of 8, right? So therefore I divided his line into 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm gonna mark 4 sections because that's how much he ran. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Friend C ran 1 section out of 2, so 1/2 of the whole Greenway. So I divided his line in 2 sections, 2 big sections, right? And he ran 1 of them. So I'm gonna mark 1 section, right? So now I want you to look at how all these fractions, they look different. You got 2/4, 4/8, and 1/2. However, if I were to ask you who ran the most of the 3 friends, right? Just looking at those lines, to me, it looks like they all ran the same amount, right? In fact, if I drew a line from the top to the bottom, guess what? That line is straight down, right? It's perpendicular, meaning that when you look at it, they all ran the same amount. So why? Because of the principle of equivalent fractions. Yes, the numbers are different. They ran a different number of portions, right? But the size of those portions determines the actual length, the actual distance they ran. So hopefully that was a little helpful for you guys. But if you have any questions, as usual, feel free to email me or just get in touch with me. I look forward to hearing from you.